Dear alumni, I hope all of you are doing well. It's always a great pleasure for us to connect to you, all our alumni. No matter where you are, we would like to stay connected to you. We were hoping that you will be coming to our campus for the reunion, but unfortunately, that's not possible this particular year because of the pandemic. Coming to the IIT Bombay, your alma mater, you would be happy to know that despite all this difficulty over the last 8 months, we are doing reasonably well. If not, I could elevate to that level to a bit higher, saying quite well. If you believe in ranking, many of you don't, maybe even I don't. We are number 1 in QS ranking in India. We also are getting probably the best set of students who are looking for admission in our undergraduate or graduate programs. Just to give you some feedback, this particular year, that is 2020 admission, which got a little delayed because of this pandemic, we got 61 out of the top 100 JEE rankers preferring IIT Bombay over any other IIT. So that speaks from the point of view of tomorrow's alumni that they have already made their choice that IIT Bombay should be the destination. We know that your commitments toward the institute needs is very well demonstrated over last 20 to 30 odd years. And we sincerely appreciate what you have been doing for your alma mater. And in this particular case, I cannot but say that how strongly all of you came forward to help our students when we had to declare that the semester, which just we are finishing, that it would go online, and many of our students did not have the means to attend to online education. You came up with this strong support to your alma mater, and by which we have given almost anybody who needed laptop or IT infrastructure, we have supported them. And also, we are supporting currently the new batch of students who are joining in the first year. But the question is, how are we doing in terms of making the lives of our students and our faculty, our staff, how good they are today in our campus? We need your help in improving the quality of life for our students and the kind of research and teaching that goes on here. Particularly, I would like to emphasize on 4 basic principles on which IIT Bombay seeks your help. Students' living and learning experience is 1. Number 2, building strength of our faculty and research. We need to emphasize that. Bringing innovation to the society and the nation, which is very much needed today. And then, of course, finally, fostering a truly world-class campus that IITB wants to be. Having said that, as we kick off the annual fundraising campaign, Go IITB, I would like to make you more aware of the Institute's immediate greatest needs. Probably these are the ones that must be attended to very quickly. As you know, the undergraduate laboratories of the institutes were initially built about 60 years ago, and they were meant to be for a very small number of students, maybe 30, 40 of them. Over the years, there has been a substantial increase in the number of students, and we have to create larger UG labs and renovate the existing labs to attend to their needs. This has become essential for us. We need to equip these labs with modern and sophisticated equipment, and also we have to create a special kind of a laboratory complex where there could be a large number of laboratories together where we have several people, all our students, maybe 60, a batch of 60 or 100 of them can work together, and that's what is required. We solicit your help in this particular regard. Now, coming to our another aspects that I would like to say, that our country is fast moving towards empowering our women, encouraging the girl child to join eminent institutions like IIT Bombay. That is a priority, and it needs to be pursued that these students who are otherwise left out, our girl students, they should come forward to STEM education, and that's something that we have been trying. We are running programs in this direction for girls who are selected to pursue engineering courses. Also, we further intend to create and run various awareness programs, both online and offline, also to bring them in our campus to get a first-hand idea how does it feel to be in IIT campus, and to enjoy the ambience that IIT Bombay provides, so that they would decide that tomorrow is the day when all these girls, a large number of them, would be coming to engineering education. So we need your help for that. The Institute is also committed regarding this particular aspect to maintain the gender equality at all levels. In this context, probably the best thing that we can think of is to recognize the effort of some of our best professors who are women, and then to support them so that it becomes an example for many of the other female students who would be joining. So for that, we would like to create chairs positions, especially for the women faculty. And again, we would look forward to your help in setting up such special chairs for our women faculty. Our third preference, and probably the most important one, is the makerspace. See, we want our undergraduate students to inculcate the habit of working with hands, making things, creating things, exploring new ideas, and learn through hands-on experience. These are the keys to developing fundamental skills. We understand this, and that's why we feel there is a need to create such spaces. The makerspace of IIT Bombay is the result of such a thought process, where the conventional drawing and workshop courses would be replaced by a product design and development course involving thematic labs and microfactories. Setting up these labs and factories involve considerable investment in procuring equipments. These facilities will be the ground where our future engineers will create, invent, tinker, explore, and discover, and then someday they should say, Eureka. That's what we want them to explore. So we need your help and support in making our this particular initiative, which is called the Makerspace, a good reality. Friends, I have taken quite a bit of your time, and I understand that all of you would like to connect to us, as we do. Through this particular message, I am asking for your support in creating more opportunities for our professors, for our students, and the campus residents. And for that, I would like to remind that no gift is too small, and every gift, whatever it is, from you is invaluable to the Institute. And with that, I hope the future of our current batch of students become even better, and that would definitely happen if we get your strong support. Thanking you very much for listening to me, and I hope all of you have a wonderful vacation and holidays which is just at round. Thank you much, and please do visit IIT Bombay whenever the situation improves. Bye.